Mathematics Chapter 2 Polynomials Class 10th CBSE Exercise 2.4. Before solving this exercise, we will discuss some concept. Okay, let's assume a cubical polynomial is denoted by ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. For getting the solutions, we are equating it equals to 0. Suppose the solution of this equation are alpha, beta and gamma. So in this case, we can say sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma will be equals to minus b upon a, or we can say minus of coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Next one, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will be equals to c upon a, or we can say coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, and alpha into beta into gamma, that means product of the sums will be equals to minus d upon a, or we can say minus of the constant term upon coefficient of x cube. So remember these values. We will use these values in our solutions. Okay, this one is very important. Clear? Question number first. Verify that the numbers of given alongside of cubic polynomial below are their zeros. That means their solutions. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient in each case. Okay. Now we have given the numerical. First one is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, and the solutions or zeros of these polynomials are 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. If we will put these zeros in this equation, we will get px equals to 0. Okay, the value of px is equals to 0. That means these are the solutions of this equation. So first of all, we are putting the value of first 0, 1 by 2 in this equation. So you can see here p half is equals to 2 into 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2. Now we'll get this p of half is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. Now solving this, we'll get 2 upon 4 plus minus 5 by 2 plus 2, and this value will be equals to 1 by 2. Clear? Again solving this, we will get 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. Now we'll take here LCM for these two quantities. So we'll get 1 minus 5 plus 2, and here we'll get 4 by 2 plus 2. That means minus 2 plus 2, that will be equals to 0. So you can see here this one is equals to 0. Clear? Now again we are putting next 0, that means next solution x equals to 1. So when we will put x equals to 1, the value of p of 1 will be equals to 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2, or we can write this 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2. 2 and 2 is 4 and this one is 5. 5 minus 5 will be equals to 0. So here we will get the value p of 1 equals to 0. Now we will replace x equals to minus 2. So we will get the value p of minus 2 is equals to 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus minus 2 square minus into 5. Now we will replace next 0, that means next solution in this equation, that is minus 2. So replacing the minus 2 in this equation, we will get 2 into minus 2's whole cube plus minus 2's square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2, or we can say minus 16 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2, that is equals to 0. That means all of these are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay. Therefore 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Comparing the given polynomial by equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, we obtain that a is equals to 2, b is equals to 1 and c is equals to minus 5 and d is equals to 2. Okay, we are comparing this by a given equation 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. Okay, so we will get these values a, b, c and d. Clear? Now we are considering that the sum of this equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, the sum of this equation are alpha, beta and gamma, and that are equals to alpha equals to 1 by 2, beta equals to 1 and gamma equals to minus 2. Now we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b upon a. So we will calculate the sum of alpha plus beta of gamma, and after replacing the values we will get minus half is equals to minus b upon a. Next one, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. We will get this value half into 1 plus half into minus 2 plus half into minus 2, and after solving we will get minus 5 by 2, that is equals to c by a. Again alpha beta into gamma will be equals to half into 1 into minus 2, that is equals to minus 1 by 1, or we can say minus 2 by 2, that is equals to minus 1, and this one is equals to minus d upon a. So we can say minus d upon a is equals to minus 2 upon 2. After comparing these values, we can find the value of a equals to 2, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 5 and d will be equals to minus 1. Clear? Therefore, the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient is verified. Clear? Second part, polynomial is given by p of x is equals to x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2, and the zeros of this polynomial are 2, 1, 1. After putting the values in this equation, we will get p of 2 equals to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 2, and simplifying these values we'll get p of 2 equals to 8 minus 16 plus 10 minus 2. That one is equals to 0. Now again we'll put next 0 in this polynomial. We'll get p of 1 is equals to 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2. Again we'll get the value of p of 1 is equals to 0. Clear? So next sum is also equal to 0 because two sums or two zeros. Third 0 that is also equals to 1 will get p of 1 equals to 0. So therefore 2, 1, 1 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now comparing the given polynomial by ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, we have x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Now we'll compare these two polynomials. We'll get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, c equals to 5 and d equals to minus 2. Clear? Verification of the relationship between zeros and coefficients are given by sum of the zeros, that means alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equals to minus b upon a. Okay, and we'll get the value of this 2 plus 1 plus 1, that one equals to 4. Clear? Next one, is multiplication of zeros taking 2 at a time. That means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to c upon a. Clear? So putting the values in this equation, we'll get 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1, that is 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, and that one is equals to c upon a. And next one is multiplication of zeros, that means alpha into beta into gamma. Okay, now we'll put alpha into beta into gamma, that will be equals to 2 into 1 into 1, and that one is equals to 2, and this value is equals to minus d upon a. Hence the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient is verified.